Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive productivity survey 2023 dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include what is your overall current sense of productivity using clustered bar chart, pie chart to display what is the biggest challenge you face in being productive, donut chart to display what is helpful in being productive, how important productivity to happiness, a slicer to filter based on age. Here you can see we asked 309 respondents that what is the first challenge to being productive. Say it is distraction, said by 437 respondents. Says I am constantly being interrupted by colleagues by 307 respondents. Say I do not do proper time management, said by 327. I do not do proper time management, said by 41 respondents. Says for other reason by 197 respondents. If I filter based on the age, you can see 24 respondents or moderately productive and moderately unproductive 16. Based on the slicer you can plus 55 how it changes, like how important would you say feeling productive is to your happiness. Moderately important by overall happiness by 20 respondents who are over 55 age. This is all about my productivity survey 2023. Thank you.